So you just got your new ExpressLRS drone and controller but don't know how to bind them? Well, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that, only using your computer and your web browser. Let's get started. So first, we'll have to put the binding phrase into the controller. To do that, let's turn on the transmitter, go into System, ExpressLRS Lua script, scroll down to Wi-Fi connectivity, and click Enable Wi-Fi. Now on your computer, go into your Wi-Fi settings and connect to a Wi-Fi network called ExpressLRS TX. The password for this network will be ExpressLRS, all lowercase. Now in your browser's address bar, type 10.0.0.1. This will show an ExpressLRS page which is actually hosted by a controller. Here you'll see binding phrase. Here type any binding phrase you like. You can put anything here, but make sure to remember it because we're gonna need it later. Once that's done, click Save and close. Okay, now close the page and you can turn off the controller. Once that's done, we'll have to power on the receiver. If your receiver powers on through USB, you can just plug in USB into your flight controller. If it doesn't, you'll need to power on from battery. Now leave your drone on for about 60 seconds. This will make sure the ExpressLRS module goes into Wi-Fi mode. When this happens, you'll see the light on the receiver start flashing really fast, like this. Make sure that during this process, your controller is off. Once that happened, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to a network called ExpressLRS RX. The password will be also ExpressLRS, all lowercase. Once you're connected, go to the same page as before and you'll see a really similar interface. Here, just type the same binding phrase as you did before, scroll down, click Save, and click OK. Now, close the page and unplug your drone from USB. Once that's done, they should be bound. Let's test this. Let's turn off the transmitter first, plug in your drone to USB, and connect to Betaflight. In Betaflight, go to the Receiver tab and make sure that the control surfaces move as expected when you move the sticks. If this doesn't work, then make sure to go to the Ports tab and make sure to enable Serial RX for the UART that your receiver is wired on to the flight controller. Go to the Receiver tab and make sure that the receiver type is set to Serial and receiver provider to CSRF. Click Save and you should be good to go. Has this helped you? If so, give this video a like and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.